first. We're shooting flames now. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, this is Auto Detour, and we are at Eric's house, RacingRamFam. Go give him a follow on YouTube and Instagram. We are at his house once again, but not for our old trucks. We were here last time in our old pickup trucks.
Yeah, RacingRam truck versus Betsy.
That's right.
Yeah.
And so now he's got Venom out, and Venom's running like a top.
So
yeah, Venom is a turbocharged 8.3 liter Viper motor in the SRT-10, and I brought out the Viper today. So it's beautiful weather. Eric has graciously invited me along for a photo shoot with Minnesota Exotics, Nathan. It'd be cool to meet him, so you guys will meet him here in a little bit. But we thought it'd be fun to cruise down. We're going down to Woodbury, so we'll get some cruising shots on the freeway. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. A little bit different, but it should be a lot of fun.
They're really loud, which you guys are really loud, but
Eric got us lost.
I did. I'm not good with directions. You should never let me know the direction part.
So if you want to just pull around just right over here, and then I'll kind of direct you and help park up.
All right.
So hey guys, we made it. This is Nathan from Minnesota Exotics. He's going to be shooting some photos of Eric's. There's Eric. He got us lost.
I did.
Of his SRT Ram and the Viper. And this is Asa over here. If you guys want to shout out your Instagram.
Just Minnesota underscore exotics.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You got one, Asa?
Not really.
Not really.
I'm just the driver.
Okay. Well,
Okay, that's fine. So I'm down with that.
cool.
Well, I got something.
Sweet.
Well, we're gonna get all set up, and I hope you guys heard Eric's truck run by under that bridge, because I think the whistle from the turbo blew out my eardrums. So it was insane. So yeah, let us get set up, and I'll try to get some cool shots of the cars while they're shooting photos here. But hope you guys enjoy hanging out with us today. We're just gonna get going here. So
I got that on video! I was so pumped up. No.
Sweet. I didn't know I shot fire, but
A ball of fire. I'll send that.
yes.
Good one. I put it out the window and I kind of regretted it. So hopefully I got it. But yeah,
So you heard it here first. We're shooting flames now.
yes. I was like, dang, I hope my truck shoots flames.
I hope so too. We're gonna have to take some night video.
I want to put one right by my wastegate. I think it shoots pretty fire. Yeah.
Probably does.
All right.
parking lot is a nightmare. There's so many potholes and gravel. But I think those are going to be some sweet shots with the sunset in the background. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, it's Auto Detour, or at Auto Detour. Go check it out, and go check out Nathan at Minnesota Exotics. I'll be posting up these pictures here pretty shortly. Look at this garbage. This car was perfectly clean before I left. This back bumper works as a perfect shelf for dirt to land on. I need to put my new tabs on. Yeah.
Yeah, I messed up. I was like, whatever. So, that was fun. Thank you, Ryan, for coming. Thank you, Nathan, for taking all the photos. Again, check out Ryan at Auto Detour. Check out Nathan on Instagram at Minnesota Exotics.
Make sure you subscribe to this guy, RacingRamFam. We are dangerously close still to 1,000 subscribers.
Almost hit 1,000. So please, if you guys are watching this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That would be awesome. Please hit that. That's nice.
Yeah,
but
don't be a jerk.
But yeah, Ryan with his awesome Viper. Ryan also has an awesome truck that he's turboing, and then he, of course, has the Audi A8. But
S8.
S8, sorry.
Yeah, those are fighting words.
Yeah, I tried to do a burnout for it. I just messed up his car. It's just not a good day for me. But thank you guys for watching. As always, keep it boosted, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, so we just finished up. Nathan got some sick rollers of us cruising through Mexico. Yeah.
Yep.
So, and then go check out RacingRamFam's channel here. Obviously doing a huge burnout there. So that was.
I screwed up. I put it in fourth the first time, and then I was like, well, I screwed up. So in Mexico, I was like, I might as well send it a little bit. So that's probably one of the biggest burnouts I've ever done.
Yeah.
With that truck, but I did good. Got a little hot, but it was making like 5 pounds of boost while we were doing that burnout.
So yeah, be sure to go subscribe to Eric at RacingRamFam.
Make sure to subscribe to Ryan at Auto Detour and buy some awesome merch.
Yeah, check out that.
Again, rocking the sweatshirt.
Yeah, and I appreciate that. That's awesome. And go follow Nathan on Instagram at Minnesota_exotics.
Yep.
He's got some really incredible photos up there. So go give him a follow. And this is kind of the first time you guys are seeing the Viper out on the road. So stay tuned for more videos on that. More videos with Eric in Venom, the SRT Ram. I kind of made a mistake and said that I was going to race him in this thing at some point, but now he's talking like 1,000 horsepower and stuff like that. So,
do it, so guys, comment down below.
Who do you think will win? It might be a battle of traction.
I think on the street you're gonna win.
So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk to you next time.